Hello, my good people. My name is Bright Chimezie. I do Zigima music. You know something? On the 28th of July 2023, I and the Zigima movement will be live at Nka Lounge, Afia TV. That is on DSTV, channel 254, and GoTV, channel 17. It will be streamed live as well. (8 p.m. on the dot). You see something? On that particular day, I am going to open the book of Zigima for you. I will be reading chapters like Honorable Wana Balos, Yoma Sigidobi, Nanendiobo, Aruben Watala Baby. On Masakwa Gitinyaku Swagarega, Banado to Anyao. African style. I don't have to let out a whole card out of the bag. You won't miss it, will you? Be there.
African style.
Nka Lounge, proudly supported by Oakland Hotel and refreshed by Open Sheraton.